Great day, everyone. Beginning of the week, 9/12. Let's get it. We're gonna get right into the market here and what we got going on. Let's go to the S&P. S&P is looking like a nice reversal pattern here. That's working. Okay, let's take a look at what happened last week. Last week was an excellent week for us. You can see here as we bottom out here, we had these tweezer bottoms, we had a bullish golden pattern, we had a what they would call a semi-form of a morning star. But the key was it's almost like a W right here, double bottom. But also you had this gap right here on Friday where we broke out of this small squeeze or wedge, whatever you want to call it, gaps up here, and now our next target is this 20-day moving average. All right. All our indicators, good, decent volume coming in on these moves. We had a cross in our ADX. We don't have the strength coming in yet, but we're still in a good price, strength price at 31. Our special RSI is above 50, and a MACD has crossed. If we get this above 0, then we can start a nice trend on a MACD. But right now, that is not the case. We are crossed above, so it tells me we're still, which we know, we in bearish markets. This here is 50% of this. This is the I would call a change of polarity right here. And you can see this low here is 411, 411, 410. This low was 409, 410 basically. That is an area that we need to watch. That happens to also be where the 20-day moving average is. So it's a very important area for us to break through. We can get through that. Then we have this area here. This area here is 420, okay? That is the area that we need to watch if we can get above 410. Those are kind of targets areas. And of course, you got your 200-day moving average up here at 425. And this thing won't sit. Okay, so 425 is also the 200-day moving average. So these are some areas that we're going to look at. Our indicators have turned slightly bullish. We have a breakaway gap here, not runaway breakaway gap here, which is very interesting to see if it holds. I can see a possible pullback for a day or so, but nothing major. You can see the market is strong here, and we may even get a pullback this morning. It's nice and strong, tagging band. So we get a pull up, and then boom, we come back down, and then we go a lot higher. Okay. That is kind of the way we're going to be planning. Obviously, these things could change on intraday charts. But looking at this inside the hour charts and stuff like that, we can ride a little bit and then we can pull back a little and then go higher. So that'll be the opportune time to take advantage of some more moves if you're not already in some right now. And everything we talk about here is for educational purposes only. You can see our ES, the futures market, is sitting right on the 20-day moving average, which kind of tells us where our market is probably going. So that is definitely something to look at here. We got all the crosses that we want. So MACD is not crossed above of the 0 lines, but we will get there. You can see that ES been trending all night and is up 21 points right now. Pretty strong. We got a little bit of movement before we pull back a little bit on the ES. Yeah, we got a little bit more strength to go before pulling back. So some stocks that I really like, stocks that have been working very well for us. One was Cleveland Cliffs. Had beautiful trades on that. Coming out this bottom here, you can see here the support level. You can see the wicks come in around this area, tells you some buying. You had the market pressure with it, and then you had decent volume. You got our indicators are really signaling some strength to the upside here, which could continue to go up near 20 or actually above this 1950 area That's probably a good target on cliffs. It might take a day or two to get there, or maybe the rest of the week. But again, this one we had this one down here in 16, 17. So this has actually been a really good trade, especially when you're able to buy multiple contracts on this particular trade. So you can see here the move up that has recently happened. So it might take a break today. It's up in the pre-market, which is nice. It may take a break at some point today, and then we could just regroup. But again, we already have locked in profit on that trade, so it's a good thing. This is one entered on Friday. Google, trying to see it come out of this base, this right edge. But you have very similar market sentiment. If I take these three candles and just combine them, this is a very bullish pattern. It could reach this 117 area, but the first area will be here, the middle of this 55% of this candle, which is shoot 114, 113.78. So that's a good number to keep an eye on. It's not as bullish as other stocks, but I believe it's trying to break out. May trade sideways before doing it, but it is definitely setting up. Another good one that's been really good to us this past week is Tesla. It's a beautiful trade that we caught. You can see all the bottom tails here. You can see the support level here with the bottom and tails come in. And you had your day here, which is the morning star doji. You had another move up here. This is like three, what they call white soldiers, which is very bullish. This also appeared on IBD 50. So this is a very bullish stock to us. We believe it's going higher. We have moved out on this trade as we have made money on the prior trade. So we're gonna see what happens here. This thing could very well pull back, and then as we regroup, we will look to re-enter. Okay, so profit taking, re-enter, profit taking, re-enter. Another one that we're looking to go is the oil sector, steel sectors. We believe these things are trying to reverse. You can see here, this is via low. This is another one that we really like at the bottom. We feel this bottom can hold. Again, the risk reward ratio is light here. So we're looking at up here at 124, 121, where we only got $1 or $2 to the downside. Like right now, this is 113. 110 is a support level. It's a support level, and we're buying plenty of time on these. So again, looking at the market to be more bullish today or this week to reach those levels that we talked about, and we will see where it goes from there. Let's go make this money. Understand the market will pull back at some point this week and give us opportunity to put on some new trades. There is still opportunities out here that that are available, but Tesla is the big one. Tesla is the one that we really want to hammer over the next couple of weeks. We believe it has potential to go higher as long as the market stays stable. We will see. We do have some CPI numbers this week and some other things that's coming out, but we believe the market will go higher. If you go to Stan stan.store/covenantseed.com. You will, and I'll put it in the description. You can take advantage of our classes and books and stuff like that we have out. All right, everybody have a wonderful, awesome day. I will be trying to provide more updates throughout this week. And everybody enjoy. Happy trading. Let's get these blessings. Let's go. Take your time. Trading is not as hard as we make it. All right. Make patience. Don't chase after trades. After you have successful trades, do not place another trade. Take a break. All right. Don't let your dopamine take advantage of you. All right, everybody have a wonderful, awesome day. Thank you.